Can Alpha 19 Tailspot win 5 trades in a row? Let's figure it out. In this video I will let it take 5-second trades. We use Bolger Band. We will take $1,200 trades and I'll put a profit target of $5,000 so we are sure that he needs to take 5 trades. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, it's completely for free, works on desktop and on cell phone. You find link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube. Now let's start up the bot and let's see which type of win rate we can get. So now let's start the bot. He will now start to collect everything he needs from the chart. Afterward he will start to collect everything he needs from the indicator using in this video, that is Bolger Band. That by the way is recently optimized with AI, so I really have a big feeling that this time around we will reach our target of 5,000. This one for me it looks like a winner, but it going 0, so it's like we have not even started yet. So he will now look for the second trade, as the first one did go in 0. So now we need to wait. It's a buy trade also. That one at least was counted as a win, so we have 1 win, 0 losses. We are now in with our sell trade. Also, if you have any question at all, just leave it below the video. I'll reply to any question you should have. Also, if you like this type of videos, help me out. Put a like on this video, help me tremendously just with this like button you do. And now we are in with one more trade here now. Too bad we did not reach the target. We have 3 wins, 1 losses, so we did get a loss. But let's at least see how this will end. We have now 4 wins, 1 losses. The last trade maybe is in here now. And there we have it. We ended up with 5 wins, but we did get our 1 loss this also. So we have a 83% win rate. But it's still good in my book. So no, we did not reach the target of 5 wins in a row, but 5 wins, 1 loss, it's still good. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube, works on cell phone and on desktop and is completely for free. Have an amazing day.